How do you lead your team? I'm Brian Chapman of Chapman Insurance Group, and we're excited to sponsor the Positive Leader Seminar coming to Fort Myers on July 10th. Positive leadership is key to running a successful business, and nationally known speaker Dr. Jim Van Allen is bringing a fantastic workshop to the association, offering a unique experience to help you develop strengths, mindset, and skills to become a more positive and effective leader. What you learn at this seminar could be a game changer for your business, because positive leadership trickles down through your team to help them be more successful too. You'll learn how to weed out the negative and feed the positive to create the best possible environment for your team. There's so much to this workshop, it's truly one you don't want to miss. Tuesday, July 10th from 9 to noon at the Fort Myers Education Center. Sign up on the dashboard now, and I look forward to seeing you there.